Hey everyone, welcome to the Screen Tech video blog. It's Mila here again, and today we're going to show you some things about what you can do with text on your iPad. The iPad has really cool features, and especially in the realm of text and typing. So we just wanted to show you all the things that you could do with it, and hope that you get a good knowledge about the different things you can do, and at the end maybe you can try some of these things out. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the split keyboard. I really like this feature. If you're used to typing with your thumbs on your cell phone, then split keyboard gives you that opportunity. The split keyboard takes the keyboard and it chops it in half, and that gives you the ability to type like you would on a smaller device and not like you would with your hands down on a keyboard. It's kind of awkward to use at first, but after getting used to it, you become very natural at it. And to activate it, you just click on the small keyboard button on the bottom right of your keyboard and you hit split. After that, you're completely ready to use the keyboard. And like I said, it takes some getting used to, but it's nothing that you don't ever get used to. It's kind of weird at first, though. The second thing is the undocked keyboard, and you activate that in the same way that you activate the split keyboard, except when you click on that little keyboard button on the bottom right, you're going to click on undocked. I'm actually not sure why this feature really exists, but if you want your keyboard to float on your iPad, you can use the undocked keyboard setting. And it's kind of cool, but you can't really see what you're typing, which is something that's kind of important, especially when you're typing on a device where it's already so hard to type. You can always switch it back by redocking it, just using those same steps before. Click on that little bottom right keyboard and you can redock it. It'll go right back to its old home at the bottom of the screen. Something else that you can do is really cool that I really like. I email a lot on my iPad, and sometimes you want to make something stand out. You want to italicize it or bold it or make it look rich, and you have the opportunity to have rich text emails on your iPad. To activate it, you just highlight the word that you're looking to make a little rich, and you scroll over using the menu's arrow buttons. You can select whether you want it to be bold, italicized, underlined, or all of that, and it's that simple. That way you've added some richness to your words and your emails look a little better. You can put emphasis on different words, and it's not just one static message or plain text message like it would normally be. And then the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is dictionary definitions. I bet you didn't know that your iPad could expand your vocabulary, and it definitely can. The iPad has a define feature, and I think all Macs usually have this feature as well. And when you click on a word, you can click the define button, and you'll get a dictionary definition of the word. So it'll include its part of speech, it'll include the few definitions that it has. I think it also includes its language of origin, so that's really cool. And that might be nice when you're reading a book or an article through your browser, and you stumble across a word that you don't know. I use this feature when I'm reading, and I love that it's so simple. It keeps you in the same window as you were before, so it's not like you have to go back and forth when you want to define a word. So those are some of the cool things you can do with text on your iPad. Try them out, and you can let us know in the comment section if you liked any of our tips. We welcome video responses, and we love getting tweets too. Our Twitter handle is @ScreenTechInc. So if you liked any of our tips or you have any of your own that we didn't cover, go ahead and let us know, and we'll check them out too and let you know what we think. Thanks again for checking out the Screen Tech video blog. We'll see you next time.